Hello Mzansi, on today's episode, Mpumelelo wants to pay a visit to Macele's third wife. Yes Mzansi, you heard me very well. Third wife. So Macele had 3 wives before getting married to Mpumelelo, which is Macele, MaYeni and Cindy. So Musa was married to Cindy. They did not have a child together. Cindy came with a son called Ulungelo, and Musa took Lungelo as his child. Sadly, Cindy passed away, and that was the last time that Musa Mseleku spoke to Ulungelo. Probably because of family issues, we don't know. So Lungelo's biological father is also dead, leaving Musa Mseleku to be the father and Khumalo to be the mother to Ulungelo, because Khumalo was best friend with Cindy. Khumalo and Cindy were friends, and at the time Khumalo was just a potential girlfriend to Musa Mseleku, while Musa was married to Cindy, MaYeni and Macele. But then they had a beautiful relationship, and what Musa liked about their union, it was that Cindy was grooming Khumalo. So that is why after the passing of Cindy, Khumalo feels that she needs to connect with Cindy's child, which is Ulungelo, and according to Musa's wishes, he wishes that they can adopt the child, but however, you can just read in between the lines that there's just family dynamics, so they're just avoiding to talk about it because there's cameras. So moving along to the birthday party drama. So Mpumelelo is celebrating her daughter's birthday. They are celebrating her second birthday, and Mpumelelo at the event just introduced his other girlfriend to his father and his other mothers, being MaYeni, Macele and Khumalo. So now they were not impressed with the timing because they just, felt that it's inappropriate since, well, it's the birthday of the child, and now you are bringing your other girlfriend to the event. And MaYeni was not interested in Mpumelelo's polygamous relationship. She says that she does not entertain Mpumelelo because now is he going to show her or introduce her a third girlfriend, a fourth girlfriend, and in her words, Bazoko heard it will end in tears. So she's not entertaining her son's choice of being in a polygamous relationship. So we can just say that since they say it's a polygamous relationship, not marriage, it is just clear that Mpumelelo did not even get married to the baby mama. She just has a baby mama and another girlfriend, whom he just introduced to the entire family. Now, Mpumelelo's daughter's name is Mhlophegazi. Guys, excuse me, I'm not Zulu. Mhlophegazi, which is a combination of Zulu and Xhosa. So now Mhlophegazi was named by Musa Mseleku, and you can just tell the baby mama has genes of colors and Xhosa, looking at the picture. Now, all the family members attended the party except for one person, Mzansi, Umangwabe. She arrived late when the party was over. She came there and she found Macele and Khumalo were not feeling her. They were all sorts of moody and grumpy because she's always late for family events. I feel that she feels that she is very special or some sort, people have to adjust. They'll understand. They'll adjust because it's Umangwabi. She's the last wife. So now, when you're the last wife, Ubaba will always, tiptoe around you. Now Macele just got up and left and did not even say goodbye. She said that why must she wait for Umangwabi? Yes, Umangwabi. For who? For the what? Anyway, moving along. Macele's son gifted all the other sisters' wives with flowers and an invitation because next week, Mzansi, Musa and Macele, they are celebrating their anniversary. So now Mzansi, Macele and MaYeni, later in the episode, they were exercising together. It's just good to see two sister wives getting along, unlike the previous seasons. We all know that MaYeni had a problem as to whom was supposed to be Umamkulu, who's not supposed to do this and that. She always had a problem, but now I am feeling MaYeni all together. She has a new online shop. She is baking. Her son has grown up, and the other son is also smart, Mzansi. He's also son, and we've seen him once or twice in one of the episodes, very outspoken, and out there. As you can see on the picture, he's already achieved merit. So it's good to see MaYeni, all, happy Anyway, Mzansi, that's it from today's episode about Uthando Nesthembu, episode 8. Till I see you again, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest Mukosi. Bye bye.